To add the bookmarks to your movie in VLC, all you need to do is to press Ctrl B and click Create. This will create a bookmark or timestamp. If you double click it, it will take you to the particular spot in the movie. You can also access your bookmarks if you go Playback, Custom Bookmarks. Now, the important thing is to save your bookmarks so it will be there when you open a movie. To do this, go to Media and select Save Playlist to a file. Now name it like your movie and save it on your desktop. Now put your movie and your playlist in the same folder. Now if you click the playlist file, it will open the movie and you will have all the bookmarks saved. And this is it. This is how you bookmark a video with VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. Drop some comments below if you find this helpful and have a nice day.